Hi, I'm Cassandra Mate, President and CEO of Visit Orlando, and I'm excited to welcome FABTECH to Orlando this October. Our unbelievably real destination is ready to host you for a memorable and productive event as you will experience our warm hospitality and first-class service. After the show closes each day, discover the many culinary experiences and entertainment venues nearby the Orange County Convention Center and across our destination. Many of these establishments take part in Visit Orlando's Show Your Badge and Save program, which offers you discounts in some of our best dining and entertainment venues. I also encourage you to extend your stay and experience what makes Orlando the country's most visited destination. You can visit our world-famous theme parks and experience their new and classic attractions, or explore one of Orlando's districts and neighborhoods where you will find many of our Michelin-recognized restaurants and a vibrant arts and culture scene. With so much to do here, I encourage you to visit the FABTECH Delegate webpage for more information and helpful planning assistance. As you can see, we are ready to host FABTECH, and we know that once you're here, you'll discover or rediscover why Orlando is unbelievably real.